Hey everyone, welcome. Well, are you getting leaking around the tank to bowl on your toilet? Right here. Right here. If you have water coming out from around here, then you need to change your spud gasket and tank to bowl bolts and washers. Okay, so let's do this. So you just want this kit here. It's got the spud gasket, your new bolts, washers, nuts, all that. You want to turn the water off to the toilet down here and drain down the tank, vacuum it out, sponge it out, whatever you got to do, okay, before you start this. Okay? Hi, Levi. Hey, Levi. Hi, Levi. Oh, boy. You want to help? Okay, you can help. Why, Levi? Levi. My new puppy Levi's getting in the way. Oh, Levi. Levi. Okay, we'll put you out of the way here. Your water line would be undone here. Lift that off. Some of them have nuts here, some of them don't. This one does. So we want to loosen these off. This is just an extra layer of protection. And then you just want to pull off your old spud gasket there. And you can see that this has got black on my gloves now. This is worn out. I'm going to clean around here, just, get any debris off of there. It doesn't have to look perfect. You just take your new part, that right on there. Bolt washer. You just take that, set it back on. Washer nut. And you just snug those up all the way tight. Hook your new water line back up, or the old water line if you think it's still good. Yeah, just check around for leaks after you turn the water on and you should be good to go. Anyways, that was just a quick demo there. It's a little windy out here. Sorry if there was a bunch of noise. Thanks for watching.